Hello students, so I want to show you how to navigate around my course and finding important information that you'll need to study, to submit assignments, to study for your test, whatever the case might be guys. So mostly everything will be found on modules, and you're gonna see that modules is divided by the first things that you need to do once you access the course, which is the access to the textbook, some of the prerequisites, reading the syllabus, knowing a little bit about plagiarism. And if you want to know where to find information, how to do assignments, you go here, guys. You're going to notice that each module is one unit rather, and you see everything here, right? Unit one and all the assignments with, resources, with some supplemental video resources, your assignments, study guides, your exam, extra credit. Same thing for unit two, same thing for unit three. Once you get the hang of it with unit one, every other unit consists of the same concept. So I guess the first unit is the one that, you know, gets you to understand the rest of the course. So, for example, the most important, what I consider the most important link in my course is this one, where it says class resources, right? Unit one resources. Okay, so here you're going to find an outline, and I always suggest students check out the outline before we start every unit so you can see exactly what's going to be covered. In case you miss class for any reason, you don't need to email me and ask me what did we cover. Just check out the outline. Whatever is in the outline is what we're going to be covering in class. Right? So this is what you can expect from the first unit, some of the vocabulary, and the end of goal units. Right? So just check it out, guys. Get uh, familiarize yourself with it, and just come prepared to class with the outline. This is the PowerPoints I'll be using. I don't want to waste too much of your time, guys, but if you check out the PowerPoints, they all match everything that is in the outline. um, Once you're familiar with all of that, I also have supplemental video resources like this one, and they basically are by topic. And this is again supplemental, meaning if you went to class or if you didn't go to class or whatever the case might be, guys, you may be more interested in this topic. Here are some extra videos on the same topics. Sometimes maybe you didn't quite grasp what I was talking about. You can check it out here, right? You can see more information on this. Maybe you'll understand better the way these videos explain it. All right. Then quizzes are exactly what you can expect. From the assignments are very simple quizzes, and they're multiple choice. And basically, once you get familiarized with the PowerPoints and with all the material, start taking your quizzes. Discussions are going to be pretty much two per unit, and they're gonna require an opinion. All right, so um, they're not so much as a yes or no kind of answer or a strict answer. It's mostly I'm gonna ask you to take a stance on an issue, right? It could be about Columbus, it could be about the Spanish conquest. If you're in a 1302 course, it could be on, Booker T. Washington and W.B. Du Bois, World War II, whatever the case might be, guys. Discussions are basically going to require you to have a what we call a historical argument, right? Basically, make an argument based on the information that you know. Okay. Uh, Unit assignments, on the other hand, guys, unit assignments will ask you either to watch a video, textbook, primary source, an article, something, ask you to analyze it, and ask you a couple questions relating that. Okay, so you're gonna have quizzes, discussions, assignments, and then we come to your study guide, right? Study guides are basically going to tell you what to expect from the test, right? So in the study guide, again, once you preview it, it will resemble a lot the um, the outline, but not really, guys. Right here, it basically tells you exactly the topics that will be covered in the exam, the vocabulary, and every exam. will come with an essay question, right? So here is gonna give you the four essays that may come, right? So get familiarized with one of these, and one of them is gonna come your test. All right. Um, the other way that you can also study for the test is basically through your practice exam. The practice exam is meant to be very similar to the test in the type of questions. They're not going to be the same question, but basically the same topics, right? So check out the study guides, try out the practice exam, and then once you're ready, you take the unit exam. You can also do extra credits, right? And this is basically what you need to know to navigate around the course. Be sure to check out the syllabus. Be sure to check out how to access the textbook, um, what is plagiarism, all this good stuff. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Right?